you ever wondered why employers ask for years of experience? Now let me explain why most of the employers I know and companies I know ask for years of experience. Not because they do not want to employ straight out of the university graduates. Even if you are straight out of the university graduate, I assure you, you can get any big job with a big salary. Here's the trick. Now, the reason why your employer wants to know your years of experience is basically because they want to know your problem solving skill. This is a skill that across the globe, all employers, business owners, entrepreneurs, startups want to be guaranteed that you know how to solve problems. This has got nothing to do with your certification, what you can do, but can you solve problems? Now, when different kind of problems hit businesses, because running a business is a whole lot of work, there are a lot of things that will come, and hit the business. So the employers want to know if you'll be able to think critically. Okay, this problem hitting this particular department in this company, and that's my department. What do I do? This has got nothing to do with your first class graduates, second class, upper, whatever. It doesn't really matter. But you'll be able to think critically. How do we practically, realistically come out of this problem in this department? So when you're able to identify these problems, you should be able to have strategies, plans on how you can solve these problems. There are a lot of problems that can arise in a company, but you as the staff, you should be able to bring out ideas that will be able to solve these problems. So your ability to analyze what these problems are and then make critical decisions to help solve the problem, and then also remain resourceful all through the process until the problem is efficiently dealt with. If you have this skill, any employer would want to have you and keep you. And the next question you want to ask is, okay, I'm straight out of the university and my CV is already saying fresh graduate, no years of experience. You should have, if this is a skill that you already have, put that in your cover letter. Yes, you heard me. Put it in your cover letter and explain, let your employer understand that you can do or solve a problem when it arises in a company. Not just saying you can, but give them experiences where you've done this in the past. In that field you're applying for, something relating to that field, trust me, any employer will be interested and they will reach out for you. So this has got nothing to do with your years of experience. That is, if you're fresh out of the university, you know you can do this and you've done it before, or you don't have probably you know what years in a particular company, so you cannot say, okay, I worked 10 years in this department to be able to prove that I can solve problems that arise from that department. But you already have the experience, probably from previous stuff you've done. So accumulate all of them together and then put it in the cover letter. So if you're able to put this down in your cover letter and letting your new employer know that when similar issues like this arises, you have the ability to solve similar problems in that department, to reach out for you. I hope this was helpful. You're welcome.